motorbike, South Pole. Is this possible?
I have never been scared in my life, but this is the first time I'm scared.
There's a fair element of danger, and I think we're well aware of that.
When I was younger, I did not really understand polar expedition people that kind of likely to die or something, you know, and now I understand.
There are two ways to go about your time on this earth. One is to exist, the other one is to live. Attempting to reach the pole on a motorcycle is living.
It's a luxury toilet with great view.
We'll be taking the route that Scott took to the South Pole.
We haven't done a lot of riding on snow, or we haven't done a lot of riding on ice. I'm certain that we're going to crash a lot.
There's always risks. Path 4, frostbite. I've seen people kind of crack in these conditions.
Throw the camera away, pick the bloody motorcycle along with me. I just want you to help me pick up the bike. I can't do this by myself. Steve is in the middle of a snowstorm here. Keep going, don't slow down. I'm a little bit afraid.
What have we got ourselves into, man?
Looking in their eyes and looking into the types, I think they are actually going to enjoy this very much.